Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video I have Volvo XC70 2006. I'm going to show you how to remove the fuel pump control module with complete wiring harness and the fuel pump assembly. So first I'm gonna show you how to remove this. We are going to remove this cover. We're gonna open the plastic cover and we're gonna remove the wiring harness for the fuel pump control module. And we're gonna continue the rest inside the car, so we're gonna remove the seats right now. In order to remove the seats, we need a screwdriver. We're gonna pry the locks over here. Pry the locks. And remove the locks, both of them, and remove the seat. The back seat, we're gonna lower the seat. We're gonna push over here and we're gonna remove this one. We are going to disconnect the connector over here. 1mm bolt, we're gonna remove the bolt. Remove the bolt. And we are going to remove complete seat. One over here. Remove this seat belt bolt and remove the seat completely out of the car. Remove the locks and remove the seat. So right now we're gonna remove this part and we are going to lift up the carpet. Here, remove this one, this metal, and open this. As you see, there's two openings, one on the right side and one on the left side, so you're gonna open both of them. And over the same thing over here. This cover. Now to remove the harness, we're gonna disconnect this one over here. Disconnect this connector. And we're gonna remove So we are going to disconnect connector at the fuel pump assembly and gonna disconnect the control module and we're gonna fish out the wire. So this is the wire and the control module. To remove the fuel pump assembly, we're gonna disconnect the gas lines. Connect the gas line. There's two of them. Push over here. And remove the gas line. As you see, this is the gas line. Side is only a gauge and the other side is a fuel pump with a gauge, so we are going to remove this first. So we need a special tool. This is a special tool. We're gonna insert the tool over here on the cap. and we are going to turn it anti-clockwise. So we do have some gas inside. As you see, we do have some gas. It is always better to empty the gas. Still, it's like less than half, so I can still work over here. So we're gonna disconnect this part. Gonna disconnect this part, the yellow part over here. We're gonna push like this and disconnect this part. Anyway, I'm gonna show you later outside how it came out. And there's wire over here. We're gonna disconnect the connector. We're gonna use the same tool, and we're gonna turn it anti-clockwise. If you're putting it back, there's a mark over here that lines up with a mark on the gas tank. On the gas tank, there's another mark. Same thing with the other side. Turn anti-clockwise all the way. And now you're gonna lift up the gas gauge. So we have to be careful about the float. We're gonna remove it at an angle. Lift up more. So right now we're gonna remove it at an angle. Far a little bit far. So we're going to pull the whole thing out. The pump and the gauge is on the right hand side. As you see, this is the gauge, and you have pumps inside connected over here, and it slides over here. It locks over here. So this is how it goes inside the tank. So this is how it's oriented inside the gas tank. It is always better to have little fuel in the tank, so the process will be much easier. Thanks for watching.